Hey, Tom, you look tired today.
Hey, Maria. Yeah, I am a bit tired.
Long day?
Very long day. So many things happened.
Oh, really? Tell me. Tell me everything.
Okay, where should I start?
Start from the morning. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6:30.
6:30? That's early.
I know. My alarm went off at 6, but I hit snooze.
We all do that.
Yes. So I stayed in bed for 10 more minutes.
And then?
Then I finally got up. I was still sleepy, so I went straight to the kitchen.
Coffee time?
Yes, coffee time. I can't function without coffee.
Me too. What kind of coffee?
Just black coffee. Simple, strong,
No sugar?
no sugar. Just coffee.
Brave. Okay. What did you do after coffee?
After coffee, I took a shower.
Cold or hot?
Hot. Definitely hot. Cold showers in the morning? No, thank you.
I agree. Hot showers are the best.
Yes! The hot water woke me up completely.
And then? Breakfast?
Yes, I made some toast.
Just toast?
Toast with butter and jam, and a banana.
Simple breakfast.
Yes, I'm not a big breakfast person. Just something quick.
I understand. What time did you leave home?
I left at 7:45.
And how do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How long is the ride?
About 30 minutes. Sometimes 40 if there's traffic.
Was there traffic today?
Oh, yes, so much traffic today.
Rush hour.
Exactly. Everyone going to work at the same time.
What did you do on the bus?
I listened to music and I looked out the window.
Relaxing.
Yes, it's my quiet time before work starts.
I like that. Okay, let's pause here. Everyone, repeat after us.
I woke up at 6:30.
I had coffee in the morning.
I took a hot shower.
I left home at 7:45.
Good job. Let's continue.
So, Tom, you arrived at work. What time?
I arrived at 8:30. A little late.
Because of the traffic?
Yes, but it's okay. My boss is understanding.
That's good. What do you do at work?
I work in an office. I'm in the marketing department.
Marketing. Sounds interesting.
Sometimes. Today was very busy.
What did you do first?
First, I checked my emails.
How many emails?
Too many. Maybe 50 emails.
50?
Yes, I spent 1 hour just reading and replying to emails.
That's a lot.
I know. Sometimes I think we send too many emails.
True. Okay, after emails, what happened?
After emails, I had a meeting
A meeting. With who?
with my team. We have a team meeting every Monday.
What did you discuss?
We discussed our projects for this week. Everyone shared their tasks.
How long was the meeting?
1 hour, from 10 to 11.
And then?
Then I worked on my computer. I was making a presentation
For what?
for a new product launch. We're launching a new product next month.
Exciting.
Yes, but also stressful. So much work.
I can imagine. Did you finish the presentation?
Not yet. I'm only halfway done.
You'll finish tomorrow.
I hope so.
When was lunch?
Lunch was at 12:30.
Where did you eat?
I ate at a small restaurant near the office.
With colleagues?
Yes, with 2 colleagues. We always eat together.
That's nice. What did you eat?
I had fried rice with chicken.
Yum. Was it good?
It was okay. Not amazing, but okay.
Sometimes okay is enough.
Exactly.
How long was your lunch break?
1 hour.
We came back to the office at 1:30. And then, more work?
Yes, more work. I worked on the presentation until 3 o'clock.
Non-stop?
Well, I took a coffee break at 2:30.
Coffee break is important.
Very important. I needed energy.
And after 3?
After 3, I had another meeting.
Another one?
Yes, this time with my boss.
Oh, one-on-one meeting?
Yes, we reviewed my progress this month.
How did it go?
It went well. He said I'm doing a good job.
That's great. You must feel proud.
Yes, I felt relieved. I was a bit nervous before the meeting.
But everything was fine.
Yes, everything was fine.
What time did you finish work?
I finished at 5:30.
On time?
Actually, official time is 5, but I stayed 30 minutes extra.
Why?
To finish some tasks, I didn't want to leave them for tomorrow.
Good thinking.
Yes, tomorrow will be busy too.
Let's practice more sentences. Repeat after us.
I checked my emails in the morning.
I had a meeting with my team.
I ate lunch at a restaurant.
I finished work at 5:30.
Excellent. Keep listening.
Okay, Tom. You left the office. Then what?
Then I took the bus home again.
Same traffic?
Even worse, evening rush hour.
Oh no.
The bus was so crowded, I had to stand.
No seats?
No seats. Everyone going home at the same time.
That's uncomfortable.
Yes, but I listened to a podcast, so time passed quickly.
Which podcast?
An English learning podcast.
Always learning.
Always. even on the bus.
What time did you get home?
I got home at 6:45.
Almost 7.
Yes, long commute today.
What did you do when you got home?
First, I changed my clothes. I took off my work clothes and put on comfortable clothes.
Comfortable clothes are the best.
Yes, t-shirt and sweatpants.
Perfect. And then?
Then I was hungry, so I cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
I made spaghetti.
Simple.
Yes, I'm not a great cook, so I keep it simple.
Spaghetti is delicious.
With tomato sauce and some vegetables.
Healthy.
I try.
How long did cooking take?
About 30 minutes. I ate around 7:30.
While watching TV?
Yes. How did you know?
Everyone does that.
True. I watched a series on Netflix.
Which series?
A comedy series. I needed to laugh after a long day.
Laughter is the best medicine.
Exactly.
What did you do after dinner?
I washed the dishes.
Right away?
Well, I waited 10 minutes. But yes, I washed them.
Good habit.
If I don't wash them immediately, I'll leave them until tomorrow.
We all know that trap.
Yes.
And after dishes?
I relaxed on the sofa. I watched more Netflix. And I scrolled through my phone.
Social media.
Yes. Instagram, Facebook, just scrolling.
Winding down.
Yes, my brain needed to rest.
What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10:30.
Not too late.
No, I try to sleep early. Tomorrow is another busy day.
The cycle continues.
Exactly.
Did you fall asleep immediately?
No. I read a book for 20 minutes.
Before sleeping?
Yes. Reading helps me relax. My eyes get tired, and then I sleep.
That's a good trick.
Works every time.
So you fell asleep around 11?
Yes, around 11. And that was my day.
Wow, that was a long day.
I told you.
But it sounds like a good day.
Yes, busy but good. I'm grateful.
That's a nice attitude.
I try to stay positive.
Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn. Think about your day.
Yes, can you describe your day in English?
Let's practice with some questions. Answer out loud.
Question 1. What time did you wake up today?
Question 2. What did you have for breakfast?
Question 3. What did you do in the afternoon?
Question 4. What did you eat for dinner?
Question 5. What time will you go to bed tonight?
Great practice. Now let's review important words. Word 1. Snooze. To delay your alarm. I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Word 2. Commute. Your journey to work or school. My commute is 30 minutes.
Word 3. Rush hour. The busy time when everyone travels. Traffic is bad during rush hour.
Word 4. Relieved. feeling less worried. I felt relieved after the meeting.
Word 5. Wind down. To relax after activity. I wind down by watching TV.
Word 6. Crowded. Full of people. The bus was very crowded.
Useful phrases now.
Phrase 1. Hit snooze. To press the snooze button. I always hit snooze in the morning.
Phrase 2. Run errands. To do small tasks like shopping. I ran errands after work.
Phrase 3. Catch up on. To do something you're behind on. I caught up on emails.
Phrase 4. Call it a day. To stop working. At 6 p.m., I called it a day.
Now, your homework.
Yes, homework.
Tonight, before bed, talk about your day out loud.
In English.
Just 5 minutes. Describe what you did today.
It's great practice.
And tomorrow, do it again.
Make it a daily habit.
Every night, review your day in English.
Your English will improve so fast.
I promise.
Tom, thank you for sharing your day.
Thank you for listening. It was fun to talk about it.
And everyone watching, remember,
Your day is full of English practice opportunities.
wake up, breakfast, work, dinner, sleep.
All of these are perfect topics to practice.
You don't need exciting stories.
Normal days are perfect for practice.
Talk about your routine.
Talk about your meals.
Talk about your commute.
Talk about everything.
The more you talk, the better you get.
That's the secret.
All right, everyone. See you next time.
Don't forget, tonight, talk about your day.
5 minutes. In English.
You can do it.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a great day tomorrow.